isn't called pit bull for no reason.
Who does this to a dog?
When he finds a pit bull in distress, he rescues it.
Oh my God, he stinks. Sorry, girl. Man, you stink. You stink. Oh. Good. Sit down.
Pitbull fell in love with these dogs when he was 11 years old and has been looking out for them ever since.
I started scraping them up. Somebody caught on to whatever.
Shane, do you like the show?
Which I did. The next thing you know, my name is...
Do you like it, or do you just like me?
He's rescued over 100 dogs.
Okay, Feeny, I love you too.
He's covered in injuries.
You know, right now, I know Leepu's waiting on that suspension, but you know what? This dog needs vet care. I gotta put the suspension off for a minute. Oh, yeah, dog.
Aww.
Pitbull takes the dog for emergency treatment.
Oh, mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Boy, she's had some rough going.
Oh, everywhere. Every little corner, she's got something.
You know, this could be from a dog fight where she's been bitten in these joints. Could all be from dog fights, but honestly, that looks more like a fractured skull. Just laying there.
She's comfortable.
It's amazing. Are you
Makes
in
you
good
feel
hands,
very
girlie?
lucky, doesn't it,
Huh?
Shane?
Fell in a good place, didn't you?
Lay down, lay down, lay down. After the x-ray?
You don't even understand.
Could have been.
Shane gets it. Look at Shane. Shane is a cerebral dog.